The surface of our planet consists of more than 70% water. That's a lot. Less than 3% of it is drinkable. From man's earliest days until now, water has always been our most important resource. In a world with an ever-increasing population, we should be careful and efficient. We're faced with wasted water on a daily basis, in our industries, for sanitation, and in our kitchens. Both professional cooks and foodies frequently need measured volumes of water. Today, water is tapped manually, in a measuring cup or a container. Running taps require water and waiting time that could be better spent in the hectic habitat of any kitchen. While constantly using significant volumes of water in his kitchen, Belgian chef Michael de Jager started looking for a device or a technology that would take over his water dosing duties.
Hi, I'm Michael, founder of Fluï. It all started a few years ago. I really wanted to reduce water consumption in my job. I was convinced that I would find a product that could reduce water consumption and ease the bill. I didn't find what I was looking for. So I decided to start building my own solution. I had this idea of a small device that could easily be adapted on every kind of tap and that could regulate our use of water. Through a mutual contact, I started talking to Koen Beers, founder of design and technology firm Voxdel. I was convinced he would bring the expertise needed.
Cohen was intrigued by Michael's arguments and decided to take on the job. This was the start of Flui. The team looked into pressure losses, volume flow, calibration needs, valve selection, interfaces, battery life, all combined in a device no larger than the palm of a hand, using industry-standard components compatible with any water tap, with an integrated touchscreen. Serving some clear purposes: save costs and consumption, save time, and save the environment. Flui is operational within seconds. Just enter the volume you need. Flui does what it has to do. That is, to supply the exact amount of water. In the meantime, you can cut vegetables or stir the soup. No worries, no water is wasted. More than 100 people have tested the device. Based on the feedback, the team adapted and improved the Flui.
Now we feel we've built something special.